How to device repair and requests step by step. First, go to Device Management, Repair and Services Estimation. Then, from the menu, head over to Sales, Products to view the list of available products. Now, let's select the ECG machine, click Device Product button and open it as a device product. Check all device product details. Tick the checkbox as device option button and don't forget to single-click Save Option button. Once that's done, navigate to Menu, Device Repair and open the Device Repair dashboard. Click to Main Menu and select Website option. Next, go to Main Menu, right pointing arrow, click on Website and open the website. Click Device Repair Request option button. Here, you need to fill out two sections. First, your personal details. Start by entering your personal details, which include your full name, a valid email address, and your active phone number. These details ensure that the repair team can identify your request easily and contact you quickly with updates, approvals, or follow-up communication. Second, device repair details. Right finger next. Fill in the device repair details carefully. This section includes the device name, service type, brand, and model so the team knows exactly what equipment you're working with. You'll also need to describe the repair issue and provide the reason for repair in detail. Don't forget to include the list of damages, set the priority level of your request, and specify the repair type, whether it's under warranty, out of warranty, or a special service case. After entering all details, simply click Submit to send the repair request. Now, navigate to Device Repair, right pointing arrow, Device Repair Form. On this page, you'll see 4 tables that map to each stage of the repair workflow: in diagnosis, done, draft, and work in progress. These act like smart filters, giving you an instant view of where every request sits and helping you jump straight to the items that need attention. For our example, open the draft table. You'll find David's request that we submitted earlier. Click to open it, then take a moment to carefully review the form. Confirm the customer details, device brand, model and serial number, the reported issue, priority, and any notes or attachments. Make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once you've carefully verified all the information in the form, the next step is to enter the device service details along with the repair date. This ensures the repair team knows exactly what service is being carried out and when it is scheduled to begin. After filling in these fields, double-check for accuracy, especially the date, since it directly affects the repair timeline. Finally, click Save to update the record and make sure all your changes are stored safely in the system. Click on Checklist option. Next, click on Create Diagnosis option button. Enter the subject S. Click on the Checklist option button. Under the checklist, add the issue, for example. Click on Checklist option. Click on Add a line. ECG not powering on. Move to Service Details and select options such as Under Guarantee and Guarantee Type and Fill Services Natures option. Now, go to the Click on Diagnosis Report button option. Here, fill in the estimated hours details and service charges details. Click on Add Line and add any required products names with their quantity details. Once all done, click on Save option button. After verifying the form, enter the device service details and the repair date. This lets the team know what service is planned and when it will begin. Double-check the date for accuracy, then click Confirm to save your updates. Click on Create Work Order. From the Diagnosis page, go to Draft Diagnosis, review the checklist, and then click Create Work Order. The status will now appear as Draft. Next, add all the work order details. Fill total no of hours, fill service details option. Date of service. Schedule required start date and schedule planned end date. And hours worked. After filling out everything, click Save and Confirm. Once confirmed, the status of the work order will automatically update to Receive, indicating that the request has officially moved into the processing stage. This step ensures the repair team knows the task is ready to be worked on and scheduled accordingly. Now, open the diagnosis order number, go to Work Order, and select Start to begin. Once the repair work has been successfully completed, return to the system and click on the Finish button to close the process. The status of the request will then automatically update to Finished, confirming that no further actions are pending. When you navigate back to the form view, you'll clearly see that the repair request has now been marked as done, ensuring full visibility and completion in the workflow. The last step is to create a quotation and send a diagnostic email. Click on Create Quotation to open the full quotation form and review it. Once you have carefully reviewed all the diagnostic details and ensured that the information is accurate, return to the form view. From there, click on the Send Diagnostic Email option button to notify the customer or concerned party. This action will automatically generate and send the diagnostic email, keeping the communication smooth and ensuring that the recipient is informed about the repair status without any delays. Here, you can add your message content, attach the diagnosis report, and finally, click Send to email it directly to the customer. And that's it. You've now learned how to handle device repair and service requests in the AxisTechnolabs app, from setup to reports. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo guides and business solutions.